Enjoy your favorite music anywhere with a single cable that connects your iPhone to 3.5mm car speakers or home speaker systems. Available in multiple lengths for convenience, the first MFi-certified 3.5mm audio to Lightning cable on the market guarantees sustained compatibility with iOS updates, preserving functionality for a seamless experience. The Belkin Difference. Pioneer in technology and innovation for over 35 years. MFi certification guarantees ongoing compatibility with iPhone after iOS updates. Meets all Apple required and preferred standards for Lightning audio to maintain sound quality. Access your favorite playlists or podcasts on your iPhone at home or in the car with a 3.5mm audio cable with Lightning connector. Attach the Lightning connector to your iPhone, and the 3.5mm connector to your car stereo or a home speaker system for a simple, one-cable connection. The first MFi-certified cable of its kind, not only guarantees compatibility with your iPhone, but ensures sustained functionality after iOS updates. Available in 3-foot or 6-foot lengths, this cable is a seamless fit in your car or home environment. The 3-foot minimizes clutter in the front seat or on a desktop, while the 6-foot is ideal for hidden or harder-to-reach aux ports both at home and in the car. Made for iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max, iPhone XR, iPhone X, iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus, iPhone 7, iPhone 7 Plus. Top reviews from the United States. Best quality cable. I have a Ford Transit Connect van that has the basic factory radio package with no Bluetooth capability. All my music is burned old school to CDs to listen to in this vehicle. I got this cable for my daughter and mutual friends who store their music on their phones so they can play their tunes when they're riding with me. Really solid built cable.